Hey everybody, it's Lon Seidman. It's time for another unboxing, and we've got this in from Owl the other day on loan. This is their dashboard camera, and what's different about the Owl camera is that it works kind of like a security system, in that it will connect up with 4G LTE networks and send you notification events. So if you have your car parked somewhere and there's somebody trying to break in or something, it'll send you a notification and capture the video and upload it to the cloud. And there's a lot to this, so I'm going to be evaluating this and having a full review on my main channel at lon.tv. So this is the unboxing process here, along with a quick setup guide. Now, what's interesting about this is that it is powered by your vehicle's OBD port. I believe this is on just about every car that's been manufactured in the last 20 years or so. But I don't believe the Tesla Model 3 has one of these. I believe the Model S and the Model X do, but not the Model 3. So if you're driving one of those fancy Teslas, this will not work with that one, but some of the other Teslas will have it. So let's take a look and see what we've got in the box here. So this is the OBD cable. This again will plug into that slot on the car, and then you run this up to your dashboard. And I guess their thought process with this is that it's more convenient to run the cable to that port, which is typically near the steering wheel, than it is to maybe run something from your cigarette adapter or whatever in the car. Let's see what we got over here. This is the camera. And the camera's got a front-facing camera and a back-facing camera, so it will record both what's going on inside the car and outside of the car. And I think they have a different, there's a couple different mounts in here too. So it looks like it has a suction cup here, and you can pick the mount that best appropriately fits into your vehicle. And I'll try to show you how this works in the review when I put it together. So it looks like you have a couple of different options for mounting that bracket there with these little adapters that go on. So that is how that part works. And then this thing here, I'm not sure what this is. I should probably look at the instructions. Oh, this is the tuck stick and cable tie. So you can use this to get those cables tucked away when you're setting everything up for your vehicle there. And then here you can see how the arm works with the suction beam. So I guess the arm is actually connected with some kind of magnetic thing. So, oh yeah, okay, so this is just a magnetic attachment here, so you can adjust it pretty easily and easily remove it from the car if you don't want somebody to swipe it. You can just take it with you. Now, if somebody were to try to swipe it, of course, they would be on camera and transmit it up to the Owl cloud. I believe they give you a year of LTE service with this, and then after the first year, I think you're paying $100 a year to maintain that service later. So what I'm going to do is get this thing set up in my vehicle and start playing around with it. And we'll have a full review coming up soon on the main channel at lon.tv, where you can see all the specifics like video quality and setup and all that good stuff. So stay tuned, more to come at lon.tv.
This channel is brought to you by the lon.tv supporters, including gold level supporters Chris Allegretta, the Four Guys with Quarters podcast, Tom Albrecht, and Kalyan Kumar. If you want to help the channel, you can by contributing as little as $1 a month. Head over to lon.tv/support to learn more. And don't forget to subscribe. Visit lon.tv/s.